care for you. We care for Anambra, but we care for our children. IBC back. Home wine, home wine, home wine. Main Market was deputed to us. Main Market will address Anambra. From the handle over to us. Those of you old enough to know at Main Market, the war came to Main Market to shop. Today, Main Market is largely dead. The markets are relocated across the Niger. New modern markets are emerging all over Nigeria. The traffic, long train of traffic that used to drive from Cotonou, all over West Africa, long convoys that used to come from Benue, the north, and everywhere. Long convoys of about 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 vehicles. In a long convoy, the Main Market is just they would arrive, they would park, and they would then shop and leave. So there, likely not anymore. But this Main Market, we have to rescue it. Over the years, ECOG banned the place and destroyed that market. That market cannot survive the next 10 years. Very evident people, they mind I've asked a number of them, when was the last time you went to Main Market? For 10 years, for 12 years. They can't go there. We must do something for the sake of the next generation, I personally hand you over. And so if I'm following that, I will still brief you. This will cause inconvenience. We sympathize. We empathize. Unfortunately, when you have to bring this change, we wish that it doesn't cause anybody any inconvenience. That's our wish. Wish that you can bring about the change without inconveniencing anybody. It's not our wish that anybody will be displaced, anybody will be inconvenienced, and so on and so forth. I know some of you bought shops because of ignorance. We empathize with you, we sympathize with you. Initially we gave 14 days, now we doubled it. Another 14 days to 28. 28 will end next month. Just be ready. People have to answer, I hope they are taking till the 28th. The 28th, that deadline still stands as we speak. The war will come back to my mind. 8.5 million. The Anambra are expecting this to happen like yesterday. And this we are going to get done very quickly.